Good morning, class students. We completed 2.4 exercise from second chapter. Now today I am going to start 2.5 exercise. So before of that, first you have to know some identities. What are that? Here I am explaining, just listen. Here, first identity, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third identity, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Similarly, fourth one, a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c. Next, a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube or a cube. So from these two I am taking 3ab as a common. 3ab. So what's remain? A plus b plus b cube. Similarly, 6. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube or a cube. See, I am taking minus 3ab as common. I am taking minus 3ab as common. So what happens here? A minus b cube. Next, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b bracket a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, a cube plus b cube is equal a plus b bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Similarly, a square plus b square is equal. Here we know the formula of a square minus b square, but sometimes we can face a square plus b square. To write a square plus b square, we can write like this: a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A square plus b square, we can write that a plus b whole square minus 2ab. How? Simple. A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. So what's remain? A square plus b square. So a square plus b square we can write as a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So these are the some important identities. So 9th class students, here is a question on identities. If a plus b plus c is equal 9 and ab plus bc plus ca is equal 26, then find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Solution. First, what is the given here? A plus b plus c is equal to 9. I need the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So what I am doing here? I am doing squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. It means a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 9 square. Already we know the formula of a plus b whole square. What is that? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to 81. Is equal to 81. So clearly observe here from this a square plus b square plus c square plus here. From that I am taking 2 as a common. What's remain? ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 81. Already we know the value of ab plus bc plus ca. So I am applying the value. What happens here? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab What is the value of AB plus BC plus CA? 26. 26 is equal to 81. A square plus B square plus C square plus 52 is equal to 81. So I am transposing 52 to right side. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 81 minus 52. Now subtract, you get the answer. 11 minus 2, 9. Similarly 7. 7 minus 5, 2. So what is the answer? 29 is the answer. Now questions. Here another question. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Solution. First, what is the given here? X plus y plus z is equal to 0. So z I am transporting to right side. What happens? X plus y is equal to minus z. Then after I am doing cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. It means x plus y whole cube is equal to minus z whole cube. Now nothing but it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. Already we know the formula. What is the formula? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b cube. So by applying that, what we can write here? A cube means x cube plus b cube means y cube. 3ab means 3xy bracket x plus y is equal to minus z cube. Already we know the value of x plus y. What is that? Minus z. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into minus z is equal to minus z cube. Plus into minus minus. So x cube plus y cube minus 3xyz is equal to minus z cube. Now I am transporting minus z cube to right side. Similarly, minus 3xyz to left side. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So next questions. Here some more questions on identities. Evaluate the following by suitable identities. First question, 99 whole cube. First question, 99 whole cube. So to use the identity, first you have to find what is the nearest number to 99. So we can write this nothing but 99 I am writing as 100 minus 1. 99 I am writing as 100 minus 1. So after writing it to 100 minus 1, now it is converted as a minus b whole cube. So a minus b whole cube is equal to formula a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now 100 minus 1 whole cube is nothing but in the form of a minus b whole cube. So what is the formula of a minus b whole cube? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Now apply the values. Is equal 100 whole cube minus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square minus 1 cube minus 3 into 10,000 plus 300 minus 7. Now what happens? Minus 30,000. Now after the what again? Now subtract the values. Second question. So here the answer 970299. What is the next question? 101 into 99. 101 into 99. Simple. 101 I am writing as 100 plus 1. So 99 I am writing as 100 minus 1. So observe here. It is nothing but in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What we can write? A square minus b square. So a square means 100 whole square. Minus b square means 1 square. It means third question. So my questions here another important concept from the identities. What is it? A plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. What is the concept here? If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Let's do some questions on this concept. What is the first question? Find the value of minus 10 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 3 cube. So I need the value of this one. If you compare with a cube plus b cube plus c cube, what is the value of a? A is nothing but minus 10, b is nothing but 7, c is nothing but 3. Now try to check a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is equal. A means minus 10, b means 7, c means 3. It means minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0. Here a plus b plus c is equal to 0. The value of a plus b plus c 0 k. Then what we can write according to concept? We can write a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So what is the question? Find the value of minus 10 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 3 cube. What I did here? Just I check a plus b plus c. So here I get a plus b plus c is equal to 0. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, what we can write here? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. By using this concept, minus 10 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 3 cube is equal to 3 into minus 10 into 7 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 21 3s are 63. So it is nothing but minus 630. For example, next question. I need a value of 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 by 6 whole cube. Second question. First, you have to find the value of a plus b plus c. A means 1 by 2 plus b means 1 by 3 plus c means minus 5 by 6. Now what is LCM? 6 is LCM. So it is 3 plus 2 minus 5. So 5 minus 5 by 6. What is the answer? 0. So here also a plus b plus c value 0 came. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what we can write? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. According to concept, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then what we can write? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So by using the what we can write here? The value of 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 5 by 6 whole cube is equal to 3 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 into minus 5 by 6. It means minus 15 by 36. So the value of 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2 whole cube minus 5 by 6 whole cube is equal to minus 15 by 36.